The aim of my study was to investigate the role of resourceful behaviors in influencing entrepreneurship in resource-constrained environments. In terms of the objectives, firstly, I investigated the effect of entrepreneurial bricolage and entrepreneurial effectuation on behavior, intention, and success among entrepreneurs in an environment which has got resource constraints. So my study basically had the key benefit that it enabled entrepreneurs to be able to overcome resource barriers and therefore be able to start off their businesses and thereby stimulating entrepreneurship, because resources are usually the biggest barrier to entrepreneurship. So these behaviors, effectuation and bricolage, helped lower those barriers. In terms of helping the society, obviously when you have a lot of entrepreneurs, you also have employment.